This video I will explain the difference between Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. Both Flip7 and Flip7 FE are released in 2025 and ships with Android 16 and One UI 8 and 7 years of software updates. Processor of Flip7 is Exynos 2500, which is more powerful and better performance. Processor of Flip7 FE is Exynos 2400, slightly weaker but still capable. Flip7 comes with 12 GB RAM and storage options are 256 GB and 512 GB. Flip7 FE comes with 8 GB RAM and storage options are 128 GB and 256 GB. Main display of Flip7 is 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X. And it supports 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh and 2600 nits brightness. Main display of Flip7 FE is 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X and it supports 1 to 120 Hz refresh and 2600 nits brightness. Cover display of Flip7 is 4.1-inch Super AMOLED and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate. Cover display of Flip7 FE is 3.4-inch Super AMOLED and it has lower refresh. Flip7 comes with 4300 mAh battery. Flip7 FE comes with 4000 mAh battery. Both Flip7 and Flip7 FE support 25 watt wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging, 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. Both Flip7 and Flip7 FE comes with 50 MB and 12 MB rear cameras and 10 MB front camera. Flip7 has a larger cover screen which makes previewing easier. Flip7 FE has a smaller cover screen which limits preview area. Flip7 is slimmer and premium finish and it supports IP48 water and dust resistance. Flip7 FE has a similar build, also it supports IP48 and it is slightly less premium. Flip7 is slightly heavier, larger due to bigger display and bigger battery. Flip7 FE is lighter and smaller with trimmed spec. Now we will see what you get with Flip7 compared to Flip7 FE. First one is better performance and smoother experience thanks to Exynos 2500 and 12 GB RAM. Second one is larger 4.1-inch cover screen which is more usable for notifications, widgets and camera preview. Third one is bigger battery. Fourth one is more storage options up to 512 GB. Fifth one is more premium design and finish with wider color options. Now we will see trade-offs with Flip7 FE. First one is lower performance under heavy task like gaming multitasking. Second one is a smaller 3.4-inch cover screen which is less practical for quick use. Third one is a slightly weaker battery. Fourth one is less RAM. Fifth one is fewer premium touches and colors compared to the flagship Flip7. Flip7 price in US is $1,999 for 256 GB model. Flip7 FE price in US is $899 for 128 GB model. Flip7 price in India is around 1,09,999 rupees for 12 GB plus 256 GB variant. Flip7 FE price in India is ranges from 84,999 rupees to 89,999 rupees based on RAM and storage capacity. Which one you should pick? You have to choose Flip7 if you want top tier performance, larger cover display, more storage and better long term value. You have to choose Flip7 FE if you want a foldable experience at a more affordable price with most core features still intact.